I'm out here at Bug Ranch. I didn't know if I was going to stop here or not. Unfortunately, it looks like somebody had a medical emergency on the ramp and they had to be helicoptered out. So it's unfortunate. I really hope they're going to be okay. It looks like they're starting to clear the ramp now, so I'm going to go ahead and head back, and we're going to hit the road. Well, over here, girls, turn around. I want you to stay on the sidewalk. Good girls. There you go. Left. Left, Brooke. New Mexico. We are officially in New Mexico. This is the, you can't see any of it right now, but it's the information center and a little bit of a rest area. We drove about a little over 200 miles today, and I didn't have any issues out of the oil. The oil pressure stayed pretty much 50. Yeah, it did great. So I don't know, I might just do short trips like this. Tomorrow when I get up, I am going to go ahead and check underneath and everything. Tonight we're going to go ahead and relax. I tell you what, for one, I'm getting ready to take the girls on the WALK, but the view from my roof is going to be amazing, and I will show you all that later. I'm really excited. We're just at a truck stop, and they said I could park in the front because I didn't want to bother the truckers. If there's ever a possibility for me to park like where RV parking or something is, I'd rather do that. And they said I could just double park up here, so it's perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna go take the girls on a walk, and then, oh, they didn't hear me. And I'll catch up with you here in a little bit. Look how much fur is on me. Tonight's low is only gonna be in the 40s, so I feel totally comfortable turning on my water, which is great because I need a shower really bad, and I haven't got to use the shower yet. My epic fairy shower. I'm gonna turn on the water and take my first shower in the bus. Epic! Epic! The hot water heaters are gone. Look at this. That was 10 out of 10 shower. Oh no. Oh. There went morning cuddles. So, we just got back from a WALK a few minutes ago, and so I started collecting rocks. I found a bunch of pretty rocks, and I'm really excited about it. I probably got, I don't know, 10 or 15 in my pocket right now. Like I just stuffed them all in here. So I'm going to clean these off, and then I'm going to show you my pretty rock collection. Ooh, look at that one. Star always wakes up first and opens window curtains.
Rookie. Good morning. And Audrey's been having to stay in her little kennel at night.
So we are getting ready to leave this truck stop right now, and we're gonna head to Family Dollar because I'm on a really tight budget right now. I got like $30. We're gonna pick up a little bit of food and stuff, and then I found a little parking spot that looks pretty cool. Hopefully we can park there. There's another spot I wanted to park at that's about a 2-hour drive away. She knows we're getting ready to leave. And I wanted to go there, but I'm also going by the weather right now because in like the Santa Rosa area, which is what I'm nearby, it's still going to be in the 50s and 60s during the day and like 20s and 30s at night. Whereas if I would have drove the whole 2 hours to the other dispersed camping spot, right now it's more like low 40s during the day and 10s and 20s at night. So we're gonna just hang around, not go really far right now for at least another couple days, and hopefully it won't be as bad. Alright, so I just got back from Family Dollar. So this is one of those things, since the bus she's 32 feet long, which is 2 parking spots. The Family Dollar is across the street. I had to park over here at this Lowe's, but it's, I don't know, it looks like a food market. And then just run across. Luckily the traffic's not too bad right now. But I was able to get a few things with the money I had. I had to get some paper towels. So I got paper towels, some toilet paper, not the kind that my picky butt usually likes, but you know. And then I just got some cheap pancake mix, because I can get quite a few meals out of that, and some mac and cheese. So that's what I've got. I do have some canned vegetables and stuff that I can like mix with the mac and cheese to like get a little bit different flavor with that. But yeah, so whew, I gotta catch my breath. I had to run across the road. But yeah, we got that done. Now we're gonna go try to find that parking spot. I mean, is this a little shady looking? Yes. But also, I don't see anybody here. We're gonna drive around a little bit and take a look-see. Yeah. Here. You know, a couple mattresses laying about with bottles of urine. We're just gonna, you know, when it's a place like this, I don't know if it would be better to like park where no one can see you from the road, which is sort of what I would be thinking, or if that would actually be more dangerous of a situation. You know what I mean? Because look, I don't know, man. I don't know. So yeah, we're scoping this out, and we're gonna see. Oh my. Oh my. I don't know, you guys. I don't know about this. So, I mean, there was a thing saying, oh yeah, you know, truckers park here and all this stuff, and I'm like, obviously, like, what? So you have two parts of me, right? You have one part of me that's like super excited because it's a bunch of abandoned buildings and stuff that like I love exploring that kind of shit. But then you have the other part of me that's like, maybe staying the night isn't the safest option here. I don't know. And then there's this big open area over here. I don't know. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, I'm nervous. I'm like, are people squatting in any of these buildings? Because like part of me wants to explore it, and the other part of me is like, girl, there might be somebody sleeping in here. You might be crossing their territory. You know what I mean? What do you guys think? Put it in the comments. Would you stay here? Let me know in the comments. Let me zoom in on that. And the girls are just looking at me like, what? What are we doing? There's lots of room to park. You know? But like also our kids, because of all the spray paint and stuff, are like kids and little troublemakers. Look at me. Kids. Showing my age. Kids and little troublemakers coming out here at all hours of the night that might throw a rock or something at the bus window just cause. You know what I mean? But I sort of want to explore. I'm so torn. I mean, at least it's like daylight right now. There's no way if it was night that I'd be coming out here. Like, no way at all. You know, random trash and stuff everywhere. I honestly don't, because I was like, oh, maybe I'll walk the girls around. But like, with all this trash and everything, I don't even think that's a good idea, because there's probably a lot that they can get into that they should not. I think I'm just gonna park over here for a second. Oh, some car just randomly pulled in over there. What are you doing, car? See, like, there could be some shady stuff happening out here. I don't know. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Would you stay here? Would you? Let me know. Yeah, I'm gonna park right here. So my solar panels can still get some sun, just where I can see all around the bus. And I'm gonna see what else is available, because even though part of me is like, oh yeah, you know, I'm sure it would be fine, the other part of me is like, It's sort of out away from like the main part of the town too, so like nobody would hear anything that happens out here. Nobody would know. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna see what else we got. I found a place called Frontage Cove. It's not really a place necessarily. It's more of like a pull-off down a little road. It says, I don't know what happened. It says that it's big enough for RVs and stuff. It's about 20 minutes away. So we're gonna go check that out and see what that looks like. And if I can find anything around that area, if that place doesn't look good. But that's in Santa Rosa. So that's where we're heading, because I just don't, I personally don't think, you know, especially with me just being here by myself, that this is the best option. So yeah, we're gonna head there now. Here, the coordinates as per usual were a little bit off, but this looks like the photo that they put on there. I was using iOverlander, and I mean, it's a nice view all the way around. And I mean, it's off of I-40, more like where the Route 66 runs along I-40. And yeah, it's just a good size pull-off area. There weren't any signs or anything that said no overnight parking or anything, so I reckon we might be good. Just sort of look around a little bit, maybe fix some lunch, and just see how things go for a little bit. If it still looks good, then we'll try to stay the night here. The other person that left the review said that they did not spend the night, but that they didn't think it would be an issue, so I guess we're going to find out. And then I'll leave a review on there and let them know if it worked out or not. Let's get to it. macaroni and cheese with lima beans for dinner, lunch, dinner. I know it's brunch for breakfast and lunch. What's lunch and dinner? Dinner? Luiner? I don't know.
Going to Los Angeles. So buy this. So
Yes.
can you see my car? This is a rickshaw.
Yeah.
So rickshaw comes from Japan. Now I'm traveling around America just my feet with my rickshaw. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Your name one more time because I think it recorded
Okay.
late.
My name is Gump Suzuki.
There we go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Gump means from Forrest Gump.
Oh, really?
Yeah, actually I got inspired. When I watch movie.
Yeah. Yeah, because of all the running and
Yeah,
everything.
walking this country. That's why
Yeah.
I wanted to walk this country.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, to meet. So yeah, everything.
That's super. It's so
every
cool.
situation like this.
On foot already from New York
Oh, yeah.
to Los Angeles.
Yeah.
That is so. Let me zoom in on that. That's so impressive. I am impressed.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
impressed
amazing.
too. Yeah, because this is very nice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I love it.
So that's my dream. So I want to make like this, and then I'm traveling around this country.
Yeah.
That's my dream.
So freaking cool. He's really cool. He came in, he checked out the bus for a little bit. We swapped socials, like
すごい車止まったんですけど。Where did you come from?
Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Yeah.
So I came here from New York.
From New York?
Just on my feet. Are you traveling family or
Just me and my animals.
is this your house? Like
Yeah.
like your house?
Yeah.
Wow, it's very awesome. So can I take video? Oh yeah. すごい初めて見たこれ。すごいこれ。So did you make it
I did all of this, yeah.
by yourself?
By myself.
Oh my gosh. うわすごっ。
I got like my fairy shower here.
あ、シャワー？
Yeah.
シャワーこ
But
こ。
like,
Is
yeah,
it bathroom?
yeah, composting.
うわすごいなんか映画の世界みたい。So what do you do? Are
I'm
you
a tattoo artist.
a tattoo artist?
Yeah.
You can keep traveling forever
That's
because
the
you are
plan.
artist.
That's
Yeah.
the plan, yeah.
Oh my god.
So it's getting clients in different cities.
Oh,
So
yeah?
that I know I can go.
Oh
And
right.
they pay for the traveling.
Oh
You know
right.
what I mean?
Now I'm so excited. So how did you decided this idea?
And one of my clients said, "Hey, we have school buses.
Oh, yeah?
I can sell you one."
Oh
and
yeah.
I was like,
This is school
"It's a
bus.
school bus, yeah."
Oh really? Did you paint it?
I did everything. Yeah.
How much is it? Yeah.
I paid $2,000.
Only $2,000
For the bus,
to buy
and
bus.
then-
It's very
yeah.
cheap.
It's very cheap. It's a good engine.
Very nice. Oh my god.
I'm really excited.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So much.
Yeah, thank you. It was really great meeting you.
Oh yeah, me too.
You have safe travels the rest of the way. Thanks.
Bye. バスがいいな。
Also, if you would like to check out any of his socials, I'm going to put those in the description as well so you can follow along on his journey. He has a YouTube, which I'll have to find. I got his Instagram and some other socials, so TikTok and whatnot. I will put those in the description if you want to check him out as well. We're getting ready to hit the road. I think this is a great place to end it for now. Like, that was amazing. We're going to be heading towards Santa Rosa. Because we're not like in Santa Rosa right now, we're still like on the outskirts. I have a good feeling about it, so, you know, thanks so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm gonna see you guys Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our live, and then Sunday morning I'll be in the chat with the premiere. Love you, take care, have a great week. I'll see you soon. Mwah. It's a little speckled. You can hear my pump in the background. I love rocks. I hope you all love rocks as much as I do. Look at this. So that pinkish hue to it. It's like, It almost looks like a piece of freaking meat or something. That's weird. Just those colors. Those are my rocks that I got today. Pretty. Alright, that's all. Thanks for looking at my rocks.